Let's talk about mechanical and electromagnetic waves. Mechanical waves are the type of waves that require a medium to move through, to travel through. What we mean by medium is some type of matter, like air for sound waves, water, like for water waves, glass, iron, whatever it is for sound wave as well, since they can move through those. A rope for a wave on a rope, a slinky for a wave on a slinky, etc. So you need some type of matter for the wave to move through, for that wave to be called mechanical. Now, it does not matter whether that wave is longitudinal or transverse. It can be either. For example, an ocean wave is a transverse wave. A sound wave is a longitudinal wave. Both of them are mechanical waves. In some cases, like a slinky, you can create a longitudinal wave on a slinky, and you can create a transverse wave on a slinky. We have other examples of mechanical wave include seismic waves that happen along with earthquakes, and they come of two types, longitudinal waves and transverse waves. There are two types of waves that we get out of earthquakes, and one of them is longitudinal, the other one is transverse. Now, electromagnetic wave, on the other hand, they don't require a medium to travel. They can move both with a medium and without a medium. What we mean by electromagnetic wave are all sorts of light waves. Light that we can see, that we call visible, that as we can speak of the colors, red, green, yellow, blue, and then also light that we cannot see, like radio waves, microwaves, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. All of those are part of what we call electromagnetic waves. So all these electromagnetic waves, they can move both without a medium, like when that light comes from the sun towards us, there is no type of matter between us and the sun. So light is going to move through that emptiness, what we call a vacuum. Nothingness, emptiness. So light is going to move through it till it gets to the atmosphere of the Earth. Now there is a medium, the atmosphere. Light still can move through that atmosphere. And as you well know, light can move through water, it can move through glass, it gets through the windows into your houses. So it can move through emptiness between the sun and the planet Earth, but then also it can move through media when it is moving through the atmosphere, through the water, through the glass, whatever. That's what we call an electromagnetic wave. It can move either way. But the most striking difference is that it can move through vacuum when mechanical waves cannot move through vacuum. And remember, vacuum is a lack of any type of matter, nothingness, emptiness. Now, another property of electromagnetic waves that distinct them from mechanical waves is that they are all transverse waves. They cannot be longitudinal. They are all transverse. Now, again, let's look at this in terms of this block diagram. Waves come in two types, mechanical or electromagnetic. We can call them light waves as well. Mechanical waves require a medium, while electromagnetic waves can travel within matter or without matter. electromagnetic waves are only transverse, while mechanical waves can be transverse or longitudinal. A bigger version of this diagram is here.